VSS Unity is a science lab unlike any other.
Up until recently, microgravity research was very expensive and it required years of lead time.
You have the extreme of going to the space station, which is a long time and a lot of money, or you have things like drop towers or parabolic flights that would give you momentary 2 or 3 seconds worth of microgravity.
Virgin Galactic spaceflight system allows researchers and scientists and technologists access to minutes of continuous microgravity.
We let you go quicker, faster, cheaper, and have more access to space.
Virgin Galactic's mission is to democratize space. Our spaceflight system is bringing access to universities, government agencies, high schools, and researchers that didn't have this capability before.
There's a bunch of different types of research that you can do on a Virgin Galactic spaceflight. There's autonomous research, which means the payloads are loaded in the rack that don't require any interaction during flight. There's human-tended payloads. And then the crew themselves can also be the payloads, testing how the environment of microgravity affects the human body.
All payloads active and running.
What I really like about the Virgin Galactic flight profile is that it's pilot-flown. The cabin is modular and can be adjusted to your needs. And it also takes off and lands from right here at Spaceport America.
You can put in your experiments, your science right before takeoff, minimizing the time that they are outside the lab. In addition, you can have access to your data within hours of landing.
This kind of unprecedented access just unlocks possibilities.
We're going to see a lot of new innovation and new science in the medical fields with pharmaceutical research, medicine development, how basic building blocks of matter come together.
You can test neuroplasticity. You can see how plants grow. You can test fluid dynamics and cardiac responses. Microgravity research being done in space benefits life on Earth.
Virgin Galactic is breaking down barriers for space access and scientific research.
Virgin Galactic is giving future researchers the opportunity to change the world.